YouTube? It's your boy JB, Mr. Major Man, Mr. 504, Jeezy from the Big Easy here to welcome y'all back to the showroom. And today I got another review and unboxing for y'all. But before I get into it, I'd like y'all to hit that like button, hit that notification bell if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and also follow me on all my other social media platforms, which will be linked in the description below. And we are finally at the time where we could say goodbye to New Era shipping from European retailers. Like I said in a couple of other videos, these are kind of, September 5th is the last day that we're going to be able to get anything from Europe. So if you haven't placed any orders before then, you're pretty much out of luck. And by time today's September 4th, so by the time you probably see this video, it is already done and over with. And I did go on one of my little last hurrahs. I do have an unboxing from Fam Cap that I will be doing on another video. I have at least one more Topperz box coming in, but I did want to get these out because these are actually my highlight pickups from Topperz. If y'all didn't know, Topperz is slick side known for doing little sneaky restocks. Most times it's something that monitors or bots not gonna pick up on. It might be very, very subtle, specifically to certain size runs of that particular style. But these two I did catch on the restock, and I'm so happy that Pat did do a restock on these ones right here before the shipping to US was closed. And some of the stuff that I actually did see that he had coming down the tube, them some dope things, especially that pinstripe Legends pack that he got coming out. He has the New York and the Mets, I believe, coming out first, and then he's going to be working on the other ones that should be coming out later on. But yeah, man, like those are some crazy hats. If y'all haven't been looking at Views of the Vault or anything, they actually did a review on some of the samples that were already in hand. But man, I'm gonna definitely have to find me a proxy to get some of these. But yeah, like I said, man, these are actually gonna be my last Topperz unboxing. As y'all can see right there, Topperz, we care about caps. I'm gonna miss a lot of little nuanced things they used to give us before before Topperz got hot. I mean, got, like, you know, the cult following that they got. They used to give us these little strips right here with the we care about caps, and they used to give us the 10% off on every order. I mean, you kind of did yourself justice when you ordered at least 3 hats, plus you got free shipping on top of that, and that 10% actually did come in handy for a lot of times. And a lot of times you were actually paying a lot cheaper than what Hat Club or any other US retailer was charging at that time. But this is box 1, and like I said, these are part of the sneaky restock that he actually did. And Topperz, they used to give you the baseball card, and as y'all can see right there, I did get a rookie Bill Brennan, as y'all can see right here. Got that card, and these are actually the newer style Topperz cards, and as y'all can see, it says thank you on there. I'm gonna definitely miss getting this stuff from them. Shout out to Pat, man. But as y'all can see right here, this is part of the final tour of Topperz. And boy, this thing is gorgeous. Bam! You have the White Sox done in that old school 1980s script right here, as y'all can see. And Topperz being known for utilizing that copper threading to the fullest extent. As y'all can see right there, we have a 2-tone chrome top, baby blue bottom right here, and as y'all can see right there, it does have that little blush or peach color on the Sox logo. And as y'all can see, it has almost like it has metallic thread in the blue as well. Probably one of the best renditions I've ever seen of this. And as y'all can see right there, it just looks like Crystal Lake water on that blue, especially on that copper as well. If y'all could pay attention to that tone right there. Very, very nice in my personal opinion. Like I said, we have a baby blue visor, tunnel out New Era logo. We have a flat baddie on the back with that with that copper and that blue as well, white batter man. And on the side we have the division championship side patch right there as well. Y'all can see utilizing that peach, that blue, that copper, that white. Very, very nice. Love how this came out. Like, Pat really did his thing on there, and I love how Pat does his releases because he really takes his time with a lot of these things, and he just releases them sporadically. It's never like full collections all together, but that is a beautiful patchwork right there on this one. And on the UV, like I said, we do have the peach under. We have white guts, and this is a poly China hat right there. But like I said, man, definitely a dope hat for the most part on this one. I'm happy. If this was gonna be one of my last pickups from Topperz, this one is definitely one of those ones that I'm happy I got my hands on. But love how this came out, man. Like I said, the execution on this is just phenomenal, man. Definitely a good one, man. Some of y'all other retailers need to take notes for real. And my last one is from Topperz as well. Like I said, I'm not gonna be too long on this one, but this was the one I was anticipating the most just because I really wanted this one. I missed, for whatever reason, I missed the first time this one dropped. I don't know why, but definitely had to get my hands on it once they did the little sneaky restock that he does, like at probably about maybe 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning sometimes. But it's, you know, it's daytime over there, and it's, no, it's actually evening over there, and then it'll be morning over here. But as y'all can see, bam, we have the California Angels two-tone chrome done in that, I don't know what this is, like a royal / ocean blue almost. I do have hats that got that color, but this is a gorgeous ass hat, bro. As y'all can see, man, look at this CA logo on there right there. As y'all can see, it has that metallic threading on it. Is that metallic on the, yeah, it is. It's almost metallic threading on not only the light blue, but also the royal blue as well. Very nice. If y'all can see how this is coming out on camera. Then we have the chrome halo on there as well, giving it that nice touch. Very nice, bro. Love how this one came out. We have the blue visor. We have a chrome New Era logo on the side. We have the flat baddie on the back with those colors, the silver, the chrome, blue, and the baby blue as well. That white, no, that, yeah, the detailed Batman, so it probably got little fragments of white in there as well. And on the side patch, we have the 35th anniversary patch as well, that y'all can see right there, and it utilizes that metallic threading very well, just like the front logo. Very nice. Love how Pat put this together, bro. Super clean, in my personal opinion. One of my favorite Angels patches. And on the undervisor, we do have a baby blue UV. We have white guts, and this is a poly China fitted crown, as y'all can see right there. And like I said, man, if these were gonna be the last big purchases I make from Topperz, these were definitely the ones that were meant to be going after, bro. But like I said, bro, like, he did an excellent job on this. I'm gonna miss buying from Topperz direct. I'm gonna find me a way to get my stuff from over there one way or the other. But let me know in the comment section what y'all think below, man. If y'all been purchasing for Topperz, let me know in the comment section what's y'all favorite piece, or have y'all bought, or do y'all think y'all would be probably trying to facilitate some kind of way to get these hats over there. But as always, I deeply appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Stay true, stay fly, stay blessed. I'm JC Baby, and we are in the showroom, and I'm out. You dig?